Hi, do you know what today is? It's Farmerize Friday, and in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to quickly and cheaply remove surface rust from cast iron tools like this bandsaw. We're going to start by unplugging the bandsaw. Next, we're going to use a cordless orbital sander loaded with 220 grit sandpaper. And I'm just simply going to sand away the rust. I'm going to use this old 220 grit sanding disc to clean out the groove on this table. Now that I've removed the surface rust from this tabletop, I need to do something to protect it from turning back into a red rusty mess. But over the years, I've learned there's a product that most people will have in their shop. It's really cheap and very effective, and that is penetrating oil. This is PB Blaster. Brand doesn't really matter. This is a great product to use. I have some Traveler's brand heavy-duty penetrating oil. This would work great. This one's about empty. I'm going to squirt some PB Blaster on here and let it soak in for a moment. This is already looking better, and I'm going to rub that oil in with a paper towel. We're not concerned about wiping up the excess yet. We just want to make sure we have a really good wet coat on everything. Now that the first coat is dried for a few minutes, I'm going to use some more paper towel and wipe off the remaining oil. Wow, what a day and night difference. This tabletop looks so much better with the rust removed. And it's going to perform more efficiently too, because wood is going to slide right across it. Although there's still a slight film of oil on the surface, I'm going to let this sit overnight, and by tomorrow, my bandsaw will be ready for work again. If you like learning about tool maintenance and money-saving tips, please subscribe to Farmerize Stuff. It'd mean a lot to me. Until next time, we'll see you then.